So something I get asked really often since I started this YouTube was, how do you make new friends living in a new city? If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica and I recently moved to Miami, Florida. I recently moved to Miami, Florida from New Jersey, New York. I've been sharing a bunch of my journey with you guys here on this platform. And honestly, this is something that I wanted to know too. Like, how was I gonna make friends moving to a city that I really didn't know anyone in? Let's get right into the video. Something that I've always said and I've always believed is, when you do what you love to do, you go to the places that you love to go to, whether that's certain gyms, grocery stores, anything, you will find people who share a common interest and other like-minded people that you can connect with. And I've always said this even before I moved to a new city, but now that I'm here in a new city, I'm really seeing that. So at the end of the day, you really want to have some type of common interest that gives you guys something to talk about. So when I say common interest, it could be going to the gym, cooking, running, doing yoga, going to coffee shops, playing tennis, playing soccer, going to the beach. Something that you guys can have that like common connection with is a good way to meet people, because you'll meet someone who enjoys something that you do. And another thing is, you can't just sit back and expect you're gonna like meet people. You have to actually put yourself in a situation for you to meet someone. If you're just sitting on your couch every night, you're not gonna meet anyone. You have to like put effort into it. You can't just expect a friend is gonna come knock on your door. Go to places, get out of your house. You can meet friends and people anywhere. You can meet them at the grocery store. Like, I'm telling you, you just have to put yourself in a situation. And that also brings me to, be an asker. So if you meet someone, ask for their phone number, ask for their social media, ask when they're gonna be back at this place, because most of the time, I feel like ever since COVID, being social has been a little difficult with some people. People are waiting for others to make the move. And at the end of the day, if you ask someone to hang out or ask for their number to just stay in touch with them, they're not gonna say no to your face. If anything, they're probably waiting for you to ask that, because a lot of us are kind of shy when it comes to that, you know? It could be awkward at first, but the more you do it, the more confident and comfortable you'll get with doing it. Let me just tell you guys, I am not an expert on making friends. Like, growing up, I didn't have a big group of friends. Right now, I still don't have a big group of friends, but people come and go for a reason. Yeah, back to the previous topic, ask people to hang out, because most of the time people are gonna say yes. People are open to meeting new people. So it's not just you. Like, the people that you meet out in the world, they wanna meet new people and they wanna create new, strong friendships. So another tip is, just talk to people. So when you're out, you see a girl with a pair of shoes you like, or a guy with a pair of shoes you like, be like, I like those sneakers, they're so nice. Talking to people, starting conversation is a great way to meet people. So another way to meet people is through social gatherings. So here in Miami, they have running clubs, they have yoga facilities, coffee shops, bars. With these tips, like talking to people, being the asker, complimenting people, these can all leave room for open conversations, and that's how you talk to people and get to know them and build a friendship with them. Another thing is your coworkers. So some people like to keep working and business separate. Like, I like to keep that separate, but if you have coworkers, you can hang out with them. You might meet friends through them, you know? You might meet a good friend through your coworker. Don't force a friendship. So moving to a new city, it could feel very, very lonely. You don't just want to add people into your life just because you need friends. Like, as long as you have yourself, that's all you need. If you guys aren't connecting and you're not on the same pathways, you could subconsciously be bringing yourself down the ladder. If you're on this hierarchy of self-love, self-development, and growth, and you bring someone into your life that has no added value to that, or who doesn't feel or think the same, it's gonna bring you down. Regardless if someone has more friends than you, people are always willing to have stronger, more connected friendship. Think about it. When was the last time someone came to you and asked you to hang out or go to the beach or go to the pool, and you said no because you didn't want a friend? So don't think you are the only fish in the sea, because I'm telling you, regardless if you're in a new city or not, or you've been here forever, or you're living home and you haven't moved and you're just looking to make friends, people want to make friends. So don't overthink it. Talk to them, ask them questions, give them compliments. Another thing is social media and online. So they have like apps that you can actually meet people to be friends with them. You can also use Instagram. They have Facebook groups of people that share common interests. And just because someone doesn't live in your city doesn't mean you can't be friends with them. Like some of my best friends live in other areas of the world. And although I can't physically see them all the time, I'm able to give them a call. If you're nervous to like go out by yourself and explore your new city alone, go with someone. Grab your coworker, grab your neighbor, grab someone you met at the coffee shop and just go out with them. And through that, you can meet other people while you're out. It's just really about going out, putting yourself out there, being social, being open-minded, talk to people, conversate, ask them open-ended questions so they have to actually talk back to you and not just say yes or no. Give them a compliment their outfit, compliment what they're wearing, like anything that you just feel like the urge to talk to them and you have a connection with, talk to them. You're not being weird, you're not being annoying, so don't think any type of negative thoughts like that. Most of the time, if we have a traumatic past experience with anything in life, our automatic feelings and thoughts are triggered from our past. And that's something that you have to try not to let consume you. So for example, if you've had a hard time making friends in the past, you're gonna continuously to think you're gonna have a hard time making friends now. And if you had a bad experience, like you made a friend and you lost that friend for some reason, you might think like that right now, but you have to drop the past, live in the present, and just not let your past traumas and experience dictate what your future can be. And the past is the past, and you have the power to overcome anything that had affected you in a negative way. One last thing, if you constantly tell yourself, you're not gonna make friends, I can't make friends, I'm not meeting anyone, I'm never gonna meet someone, that's the way your life is gonna go. You have to change your mindset and tell yourself, I am going to make friends, I can make friends, I am a good friend, I am a caring friend, I'm gonna make really good friends in this new city, or I'm gonna meet someone who can now be a really good friend of mine. I have made friends who I was only friends with for a short period of time, who I have a better relationship compared to someone who I've been friends with for years. So don't let that stop you either, thinking that it's too late to make a really good friend, because it's really not. It's all about quality of your friendship. And as adults and as humans, we grow in our life and we change, and our mindsets change, our perspectives change, our pathways of life change, and the world just has a way of connecting individuals and us all together. Like I'm telling you, if you keep your mindset open and you stay positive and focus on what you want and do what you love, you will meet some awesome people in this world. And one last recommendation is don't backstab anyone. I'm a big believer in everything happens for a reason. So I have friends that I'm not friends with anymore, but I don't hate them. I don't wish bad upon them. I truly believe that I had needed them in my life to realize certain things at that time. You know what I mean? Don't wish harm on anyone. Karma is a real thing. Don't feel like there's anything wrong with you or anything wrong in your life because you can't make friends or you can't meet friends. You could just be not putting yourself out there, and I'm guilty of that. There's times where I go out and I'm just very like in my own head, or if there's something going on, I'm very just like to myself. Like for example, when I go to the gym, I'm very like tunnel vision. I don't really like speak to anyone. It could give people the vibe that you're very closed off and that you don't want to like talk to anyone. And so that's something that I've been trying to switch of mind and like change of myself in general to develop myself, is not to be so like, I hope this really resonated with you guys and I shared some things that helped with you. I really try to focus on sharing my past experiences or my current experiences in hopes to know that I can help you guys. And if you need a friend, you can be my friend, we can be friends. I love supporting you guys and seeing you guys support me, so you can follow me on all my social medias. I have Instagram, I'll put it here. I don't really use Facebook. I use TikTok once in a while, but the main platforms that I'm usually always on are YouTube and Instagram. I hope this video helped you guys out, and if it did, leave a comment below and let me know, because when I see that I'm helping you guys, like, it genuinely gives me so much fire inside to keep on doing what I'm doing and to help as many of you guys as I can. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I know a few of you have been asking for like dating videos, like how to date in a new city. Let me know if you want to see that, because I was thinking I could do that like with another friend, like bring a friend in the video so you see someone else and not just this face. But let me know, because I think that'd be really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one very soon.